Hi there, everybody, and welcome back to Hex channel. Hope you guys are having a great time. Man, oh man, we got lots of things happening with the prices, so we're going to talk about that as we go. But let's first get into Hex.com, and of course, let's get on to daily stats here. Day 832, can you believe it? Climbing up in the Hex journey, 13th of March 2022. And of course, the price is just under 12 cents there, 11.9, down 7%. And of course, that has been caused by Hedron pretty much. And so let's check that out later on. Return on investment multiplier from all-time low, 2,113x. And of course, the all-time low was 5th of January 2020. So look at the T-share numbers, 5.968 Hex per T-share. Beautiful to get that, folks. And what happens with the Hex price? You're getting your Hex payouts are awesome. T-share price, $2,514, a little cheaper than yesterday. And of course, the T-share rate up 5.9 to 21,079. Up and to the right. That's what's the magic is for X. Average stake year is 6.34 years for average stake length. Annual percentage yield rate, inflation and early in-stake penalties, 37.75%, and currently there's 243.4 million Hex in the pool, and a liquidity in the pool 25,002,382 ETH in the pool. Let's go jump to the valuations. 7.37 billion, market cap 68.83 billion, and T-share market cap 26.9 billion. T-shares down 2,000 to 10.704. Very cool. Let's have a look at the total supply numbers. Inflation is pretty low today, about 9 million, and a almost 639 billion total supply. And of course, circulating supply 577.2 billion, and that's down 16 million. So that's good to see. Let's have a look at the stake supply, up 25 million to 61.8 billion. And of course, the good accounting up 1.3 million. Stake percentage of coins now 9.67%. Hex payout is 63.9 million Hex. Of course, that's deferred into the future. Penalty is pretty modest day, 543,000. But the wallet holders keep growing, 544 to 434,000. Nice. Stake is up 406 to 86,447. Total stake is up 433 to 108,700. And current holders 32 up to 285,941. That's the results for day 832, folks. Let's get into the price. Drama. This couple hours here impacted by Hedron. Hedron had a price correction. People were selling X down to buy Hedron. So drama there. That's the hourly chart, folks. We can look at the daily here, and we can zoom out here. It's kind of shifting our TA downwards. And of course, otherwise we were up. On the day, up to what we were up to. Let's have a look here on the day. We're up to, is that really saying that? 13.2 cents was the high today. And the low so far is 11.6. Is that right? That is right. So that's where we're at the moment. So yeah, 11.7 at the moment. And of course, the high 13.2. So we're actually moving up, and the Hedron sell-off has meant that people are selling X to buy Hedron on the pullback. Of course, that happened pretty dramatically in the last couple of hours. So we're still on the uptrend, but the Hedron has impacted our price chart here. So we'll have to keep watching that, trying to break out of this downward line. We're still sort of sliding down at the moment. Do desperately need to get it breaking out of there up to the upside to avoid going sideways or down. So let's hold on for that. Here's the Hedron, of course. This is the last couple of hours. You can see that last couple of hours there, down, and of course the buyback in here, where Hexkins are selling Hex and buying this. Not just Hex, but it's people were doing that, and of course some people were selling down as well in fear. So that's what's happened there. We did get the pullback. I've talked about this, and of course the next target is 3,300. I'm just not confident it's going to hold this up here at this stage. We will see so far. So far, been pretty good calls been making on this price chart. It always gets a little awkward around here, but we got down to 4,200, which is not too far away. We definitely hit my target of 4,600. We have popped out of that. But whether it keeps sliding down here to the next target, 3,300, we'll just have to wait and see. Just be a bit cautious at this stage. Big news, of course, the internet money sacrifice has launched. And of course, it's selling out pretty fast. What are we up to now? Let's have a look here. The website's had a lot of trouble handling the load. Let us refresh this again. The website has had a lot of trouble handling the load. You can't see the actual amount at the moment. And last time I checked, it was pretty much $750,000 within about 20 minutes. So it looks like it's selling out pretty fast. The T-share rate at the moment, 2,444, and that's a pretty good price to get it at the moment. Adoption up and to the right. Hex T-share rate up and to the right. Payouts always looking good, around about 6 hex per day. Let's zoom in on the next 11 months of the global share rate, share staking, sorry. And we can see that we've still got these stakes coming out here by the end of, we've got 147,000 by the end of March, and then 371,000 by the end of April. Expecting earliest date at the moment for Pulse Chain launch, the 15th, which is about here. So we'll just see how we go with that. All right, finally, we had one big sale in the last an hour ago. That was all part of the seller as well. So we had this. They bought Hedron as well. This whale here bought Hedron as well. All right, cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and catch me later in the live stream, a couple hours time. Bye for now.